No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Alright, right now we're going to do is a fairly easy recipe, a healthy recipe for me also, because I'm trying to do a little eating right during the weekdays. So right now what I'm going to do is a classic egg salad recipe. Alright, so these are what I got. I got 4 eggs right here that I'm going to go ahead and boil. Got some salt, got some pepper, and believe it or not, yes, I got some Hellman's, some real mayonnaise, not my Miracle Whip, and I have some pickled relish right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get this recipe done up for you. So meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put these eggs on the stove right now. I got a pot of boiling water with a little bit of salt to help these eggs cook up so they won't crack. And I'm going to get these boiled up real quick, alright? So let's go to the stove. Alright, I got my pot on the stove. I got the water boiling. Got the temperature pretty much as high as I can get it. And I got a slotted spoon. I'm just going to place these eggs in here one at a time in the slotted spoon at the bottom. This helps it from keeping them eggs from cracking at the bottom, alright? So this is how I like doing it, y'all. So if you just drop them in there, guarantee you probably end up cracking these eggs. So I let this cook for at least around about 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes is up, I go ahead and take them up off the heat and put a lid on top of it. And then I let it sit for at least about 13 to 15 minutes after that. And then I go ahead and crack the eggs. So in between time, this is what I'm doing here now, boiling the eggs. And we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere because this is going to be good. Alright, so our 5 minutes is up. What I'm going to do now is just cut the stove off and I'm going to slide this over. And I'm going to let that rest for about 13 to 15 minutes. And the sad thing is I can't find my lid to my pot. So that's what I'm going to do is let it sit there and rest for 13, 15 minutes. And I'll be back. Alright y'all, I got my pot sitting in the sink. Now I'm about to drain off this here water. Alright, and I did find the lid to the pot. Come to find out my pot was bent. Think somebody must have dropped it on the floor. But anywho, now what we're doing, man, after I didn't drain the water off, I'm giving this these eggs a good shaking. This is gonna loosen up that shell from the boiled eggs and make it easier, you know, make it very easy to remove the shell. Alright. And as you can see, one of the eggs broke loose from the shell, and I'm just running some warm water on top of these eggs now, just so I can go ahead and get the rest out. This is how you can boil some perfect eggs right here, y'all. Just put you some water in the pot, put some salt in it, and then let it sit for cook it for 5 minutes on top of the stove, and then move it from the heat and let it rest for 13 to 15 minutes. And this is how your eggs will come out. And all you have to do is give it a nice shake to break that shell loose. But I got a video coming up here soon, very soon. I'm doing a collaboration with my girl Misha from Misha's Corner. This is something you guys got to check out, and I don't want you guys to miss this up and coming video. Misha has one of the nicest cooking channel on YouTube that I've seen in a long time. So you guys need to check her out.
Papa, how did Chico run away from his house?
I don't think he ran away, boo.
Who gave it to him?
I think somebody then came and picked him up.
Why?
Alright, got my eggs all off the shell. I mean, look, this is a This is a perfect egg, y'all. I mean, this is how you do it. What I do is I take it and I put it in, after I get it off the stove, I drain that water off, and then I shake the pot full of eggs, and then I just take some warm water and run it and shell it off, and this is what you get, the perfect boiled egg. Alright, so I got this right here from Goodwill, y'all, and I found it. So it's 2 settings. You could put it in here and they do the little quarter splits for you or whatever, or you could just lay it here and you could slice it. And I only paid 69 cents for this thing, so I'm loving this one. So I had this for a few years right now, but this is how it works on that end. And then I could just pick these up, put it in the little pan. And I'm going to show you how this other end works real quick. I love this little gadget. Set your egg in there. And then it gives you little slices, you know. Love this little thing. And then I can do it the laser way. This is my laser way. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these up. So I take a fork and just mash the eggs. This is, to me, good protein. A lot of people just eat the egg whites, but I don't want to see nothing about the egg go to waste. So I eat everything. So I think that's good enough right there. Alright. So what I'll do, since I'm the only one that really eat mayonnaise in the house, take me at least a couple of scoops of the Hellman's. And then I'll take the relish. Some salt. And some black pepper. And if I had to add any more mayonnaise to it, I'll do so. I think this is enough, well over enough. That's it. So all I have to do now is just give me some toast, along with some lettuce and some tomatoes. And I got me an egg salad sandwich. Alright, so this is just your classic egg salad. Let me give it a taste. See if I had to add anything else. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to make me a sandwich. And this will be alright, y'all. Got it ready for you. This is what I do. I put it in a little container, plastic container. So put it in the fridge. And then I got me some lettuce, some pepper jack cheese. I put that cheese and toast up under the broiler so the cheese can melt quick. Just put the little egg salad right on top. So I don't have to add no salt and pepper, because there's already some salt and pepper in there. Then I'll take me a nice size tomato, plump that right on top of that. Then put my little other toast on it. And that's what we got. We got an egg salad sandwich, y'all. And this is how I like it. Just your classic egg salad sandwich. Just as basic as can be. And guarantee you this is good. Alright? So give it a try if you're trying to eat a little healthier or whatever the case may be. Guarantee you'll like it. And I'm finna tear this up. So thank you for checking out MACK'S Kitchen and Grill. Hit that subscribe button. And also hit the like button. And leave a comment. Let me know if you like egg salad and what's your favorite recipe as far as dealing with eggs or whatever the case may be. Alright? So thank you so much. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Thank you. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from MACK'S Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you can also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate, peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.